Well, hello. The Earl of Sodor here. You know, Sodor is such an exciting place. There are so many wonderful things to see. But just how closely are you watching? Very closely, I hope, because I'll be asking questions about what you've seen. This man is watching very closely. He's looking for a rare bird. And he's using binoculars to help him find it. Binoculars make things that are far away and look small look bigger. But at the moment, he can only see Thomas. Are you ready for the first question? How do the binoculars help the man find what he's looking for? Do things look bigger? Do things look smaller? Or do things look the same size? The binoculars help the man to see faraway things by making them look much bigger. Oh, look! The man has found his rare bird. Isn't it beautiful? Hooray! That was fun! Let's play again. Thomas loves travelling along his branch line with his faithful coaches Annie and Clarabel. But wait a minute. What's happening here? That's not Thomas pulling Annie and Clarabel. This engine is going much too fast for these two coaches. Which engine was pulling Annie and Clarabel? Was it Spencer? Was it Caitlin? Or was it Gordon? It was Caitlin. Annie and Clarabel were accidentally coupled up to Caitlin. Ah, that's better. Annie and Clarabel are safely back with Thomas. Jolly well done. Do come back again soon. Goodbye.